During week 1 of our Summer at Planet Bloom, our theme was Life on Planet. We learned about the 4 major habitats and its ecosystems. Then we dove into thinking about why or how animals adapt in the wild. We worked together in our teams to create a multimedia diorama, and as a part of our learning, we went to Timlin Park Reptile House to observe these reptiles and animals in action. Our theme for week 2 is Life Underwater. We kicked off our week with an exploration of ocean zones and created an ocean jar to represent how deep the ocean truly is. Combining our knowledge about adaptations, we designed and created our own fictional alien animals. For our field trip this week, we went to Ocean Park to see and observe these animals in action. As a part of understanding human impact on marine life, we conducted an experiment to experience how difficult it is to clean up an oil spill. Our theme for Summer at Planet Bloom this week is Farm to Table. We learned about different methods for food preservation and ways we can make more sustainable and earth-friendly choices with our diets. Each day, we honed our cooking skills in the Food Tech Lab. For our field trip this week, we visited the Hong Kong History Museum to learn about old Hong Kong and farming practices. After that, we went to the Cup Noodle Museum to create our own cup noodle.